My dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2025 focus. This type of question definitely will be asked in NEET exams, especially NEET exams. You see, previous year NEET also, number of electrons, protons, neutrons present in lutetium. There was a question, previous year question. You see, same question. See, this is an element carbon 613, atomic number 6. Mass number 13, this is Z. Z is equal to 6, mass number A is equal to 13. A minus Z, 13 minus 6, that is equal to number of neutrons, C7. At the same time, here 6 indicates number of protons, 6. Number of electrons also 6. In carbon, this is the atomic number Z is equal to 6 indicates proton 6, electron 6. In case of neutron, A minus Z, 13 minus 6, that is equal to 7 is the right answer. Oxygen 816, here 8Z. Z means atomic number. Atomic number means number of electrons 8, number of protons 8, neutrons A minus Z. A is equal to 16, Z is equal to 8. 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8 is the right answer. Number of neutrons A minus Z. 12. Magnesium atomic number 12 means number of protons 12, number of electrons 12. Neutrons A minus Z, 24 minus 12, that is equal to 12 is the right answer. This is 26 iron, atomic number iron 26. Number of electrons 26, number of protons 26, mass number 56, that is A minus Z. 56 minus 26, that is equal to 30 is the neutrons. 30 is the neutrons number. Last one, strontium 38, 88. 38 atomic number. That is number of electrons 38, number of protons 38, number of neutrons A minus Z. A is equal to 88, Z is equal to 38. 88 minus 38, 50 is the right answer. Please note it, pay concentration. At the same time, number of electrons, number of protons, number of neutrons. Number of electrons means atomic number is equal to number of protons, that is equal to number of electrons. Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. A mass number, Z atomic number. Thank you.